皆さんこんにちは Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a teriyaki tofu hamburger steak. Salmon teriyaki and regular teriyaki are already popular in the world. So just I wanted to make an unusual one. So you will be smiling after eating it because it's healthier than normal hamburger steaks and just as tasty. So okay, let's get started.
So okay, these are the ingredients for today. So if you use cotton tofu, you don't need to drain it. But if you use silken tofu, drain it before use it because it contains a lot of water than cotton tofu. This will prevent the hamburger steak from becoming soggy. So okay, first, finely chop the mushrooms. I add this to hamburger patties. It increases the volume and the addition add a nice texture. And if you feel too much hassle to cut it yourself, you can use the food chopper like this. So okay, next make a hamburger patties. So place the chicken mince in a bowl and add a pinch of salt and black pepper. Toss together well. So and then also I suggest wearing the gloves for this, otherwise your hand is gonna be extra moisturized. So and then add the cotton tofu or silken tofu is also fine. I'm gonna use a cotton tofu today. So and then next 3 tablespoons of panko. So and then last one is a 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. And then sorry, I failed to record the scene where I added it. So okay, stir combine. And when the meat and the tofu are well mixed, the hamburger steak patty are ready. So next, divide the dough into 4 pieces. So after that, time to shape the tofu hamburger steaks. I'm gonna make them a bit large, which helps keep them meaty and juicy. And if you toss them back and forth at this time, air pocket in the patties can be removed. So okay, let's fry the tofu hamburger steaks. So okay, pour about 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. Then heat oil in a fry pan over medium heat, and then we're gonna swirl it around to a coat pan evenly. So once the pan is nice and hot, add the hamburger patties and let them brown on one side. Okay, let's fast forward a little bit. So okay, once the patties are nice and brown on one side, it's time to flip them over. Have a look, it's a perfect brownie we are looking for. Okay, we just need to let these brown on the other sides. Once they are nice and golden brown on both sides, let's pour on the 2 tablespoons of water and quickly cover and reduce the heat to low and steam for about 5 to 7 minutes. Open! There is still some water left when you open the lid. Cover it again and let it steam for a few minutes.
はい、できました。
Okay, let's serve to the plate. For seasoning, use the teriyaki sauce I introduced last time. I could have added the sauce to the pan after steaming, but I thought it would look better this way. So okay, this is the tofu hamburger steak. Let's cut one open. It's very fluffy and have a look. It's so meaty and juicy. And I look forward to you discovering the delight of Japanese teriyaki sauce and healthy tofu hamburger steak combinations.
Hi, thank you for watching guys. How was it? Didn't it look good? So to be honest, I think I could eat all 4 pieces by myself because it was lighter than normal hamburger steaks. So if you enjoyed my video, please let me know by giving big thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching guys and see you in my next video. Bye!